Hello everyone, I am Riya Salvi. Here I am going to talk about my internship experience at Webstack Academy. These are the contents of our presentation. First, we'll start with short introduction about me, then overview of the internship, goal of internship, what is full stack development, what is MERN stack, about the internship project, and conclusion. Let's get started. Greeting everyone. My name is Riya Salvi. I am pursuing third year computer engineering at Rajgarh Nanpet Technical Campus, Pune. I am excited to be part of this internship program and learn more about the latest technology in the field of web development. Here is the overview of Webstack Academy. Webstack Academy is one of the best online course provider for full stack developer. This academy helps students to learn full stack development on the MERN stack. I personally learned about MERN stack through this academy free of cost and was very helpful. The mentor was incredibly helpful and interactive. Here is the goals of internship. The goals of this internship are provide us with hands-on experience in full stack development and help us to develop a strong foundation in stack technologies. Throughout this program, we work on a real-world project that will change us and push us to grow as a web developer. Then what is a full stack development? A full stack developer is a person who can develop both client and server software. The front end consists of the user interface and back end take care of the business logic and application overflow. They are proficient in both front-end and back-end languages and frameworks as well as in a server, network, and hosting environments. Consider a retail website. User can browse or purchase specific item, delete or add items in a cart, change their profile, and do many other things. All these actions requires a front-end user interface as well as some business logic written in the back-end. The website UI can build using various front-end technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React library. The backend also consists of logic that can connect the application to other services and database. For example, all the user and transactions data is stored in the database through specific drivers handled on the backend. Now, what is a MERN stack? MERN stack is a combination of four technologies: MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. It is used for building full stack web application. MongoDB is a database. Express.js is a web application framework. React is a front-end library, and Node.js is a back-end runtime environment. It is a powerful stack for creating dynamic and interactive web applications. Here is the architecture and design. The MERN architecture allows you to easily construct a three-tier architecture that is front-end, back-end, database entirely using JavaScript JSON. JSON is a JavaScript object notation, is an open data interchange format that is both human and machine readable. So imagine you are building a web application using the MERN stack. It's like building a house from scratch. First, let's talk about the front end, which is what users see and interact with. It's like the beautiful exterior and interior design of our house. In the MERN stack, we use React, which is like a master architect. With React, we can create reusable components that make us the different part of web application. Now let's move to the back end, which is like the hidden infrastructure of our house. It is where all the magic happens. In the MERN stack, we use Node.js and Express.js. Node.js is like a backbone of our web application, providing the runtime environment for our server-side code. Express.js is like a construction manager, helping us to handle the logic and routes of our web app. To store and retrieve data, use MongoDB, which is like the storage room in our house. It is a NoSQL database that works with the JavaScript. When it comes to organize our project, it's like creating a blueprint of our house. We can save separate folder for different parts of our project, like model for handling data, controllers for managing the logic, routes for defining API endpoints, and view for the user interface. React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interface. Is like a powerful tool that helps developer create interactive and dynamic web application. With React, you can easily build reusable UI component that update efficiently whenever the underlying data changes, is widely used in the industry and has a large and supportive communities. React.js lets us build a Express.js and Node.js. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side. It's like the foundation of your web application. With Node.js, you can handle server-side logic, perform file operations, and interact with database. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for building scalable web applications. Express.js is a web application framework that runs on top of the Node.js. It's like a set of tools and utilities that make building web app with Node.js easier and more organized. Express.js provides a way to handle routes, manage middleware, and handle request and response. It simplifies for building server-side application and API. MongoDB is an open source document oriented database that is designed to store a large scale of data and also allows you to work with that data very efficiently. It is a categorized under the NoSQL database because the storage and retrieval of MongoDB is not same in the table format. MongoDB is a scalable, open source, high performance document oriented database. Now the internship about the internship project. The internship project is a challenging and exciting opportunity for aspiring developers to gain hands-on experience in full stack development. Over the course of program, we work on a real world project. Here we work on the Homely Hub application. Homely Hub application using cutting edge technology such as a MERN stack. Homely Hub is a platform that lets people find and book unique places while traveling. Technology used in our project is a MERN stack. In the MERN stack, first one is a MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database that provides a high scalability and flexibility. Next one is a Node.js. Node.js is an open source server in a open source environment that allows developer to run JavaScript on the server side. Next one is Express. Express is a fast and minimalist web framework for Node.js that simplifies the process of building web application. And React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interface. Then Mailtrap. Mailtrap is a website to send mail and receive mail. Stripe is for used for the process payment. Stripe and Mailtrap are two popular tools used by developers in web development. Stripe is a payment processing platform that helps developers integrate secure online payments into their application. It provides API and tools that allow developers to handle payment transactions, where the Mailtrap is a tool used for testing and debugging email functionality in web application. It provides a simulated email environment where developers can send and receive test emails without actually delivering them to the real recipients. Now, the features of our project, that is user authentication, search and filters, views listing, property listing, booking system, payment integration, user profile, navigation, and many more. We will see one by one in our project. Conclusion: during my internship, I underwent significant growth and gained valuable insights contributing to a productive learning experience. I gained a comprehensive overview of full stack development through my work on the Homely Hub application project. This internship was a great opportunity for me to learn and grow as a web developer. I am grateful for this opportunity to have participated in this program, and I am excited to apply the skills and knowledge I have gained to my future career. Now let's see the project. First, we will connect the database. It is a MongoDB database interface. Then go through our Visual Studio. Here, our terminal we split in the two parts. First one for the backend. First, we run the backend, and then we run the front end. It takes some time to open the code on a web browser. Homely Hub is a platform where people can find and book unique places to stay while traveling. Whether it's a cozy home or a fancy villa or a fancy rooms, user can experience a personalized stay here. Also, hosts can earn money by sharing their properties on this platform. Homely Hub is nothing but the clone of the Airbnb project. So here can we can see various properties that are available for the users. When users land on the Homely Hub website, they will see a search bar at the top where they can where they can enter their preferred location. They can also select the desired dates for their stay. This helps narrow down the search result to find the perfect location. The search bar allows user to quickly find accommodation based on their preferred location. User can input the desired location, and when click on the search button, this platform will display the relevant option. Here we can see we search the Goa in search bar, and we will get the output. Two properties from the Goa location are available on this platform. To make search more refined, there is a filter button is available. Clicking on it open up a range of options. First, user can set their price range to filter out properties within their budget. Then they can choose the type of room they prepare and the specified facilities or amenities. Once they have set the preference, they can click on the apply filter button. The filter result shows on the platform. For example, first we will set here the price range from 600 to 3000 and click on apply filter button. There are some properties are available that is within the range of 3000. Also, we select the some filters and click on the clear button. Here one clear button is available. When we click on clear, the filter is start from over. There are some amenities are available. If we click on Wi-Fi or AC and click to apply filter button, here are one property is available. They provide the amenities of AC on Wi-Fi. In the filter section, first was the price range. User can set a specific price range to filter accommodation within their budget. Then is a property type or room type. User can select the type of room they are looking for example, house, flat. Then amenities. User can filter accommodation based on available facilities like Wi-Fi, AC, parking, pool, TV, or many more. Now next is a user profile. User can access their profile by clicking on the profile logo located in the top right corner. Here user can view their booking history update when they are logged. First, if user is not logging into application or sometimes the user is new, then first they have to register themselves on this website. For example, first we will register here. Here we can see a one pop-up user logged in successfully. When user logged in into the web application, here we can see a profile logo, or we can also see the profile. In the profile, user can edit the profile or change the password. When we click on edit profile, here update profile page is open, or we can also change the avatar. Here we can see profile updated successfully. When profile is updated, We can see here and here also the logo will be changed. Also here we can check the history of booking. The app logo located in the left corner serves as a clickable link to the home page. This feature provided easy navigation for user to return the main page from any section of the platform. Now I am in the login page and I want to go back to the home page. I click on this home logo and I come on the main home page. When user hover on this photo, when hover on this photo, the farmhouse name, farmhouse location, and the price will be displayed. Once user find a property they like, they can view more details by clicking on its photos. When we click on these photos, here open the details of that farmhouse. First, the name of farmhouse, then location, then some good pictures of that farmhouse, description. Here we can see one logo. When we click on this logo, gallery is open. Then here is a description. Then what facility provided by that villa. This action opens up comprehensive information about the accommodation, including photos, including description and location on map, and some extra information. To book a property, user need to fill out a booking form. If they are already logged in, they can proceed with the booking. However, if they are not logged in, they will be prompted to log in first before making a booking. Here we can see a one booking form with the price range 2,800 per night. If we select for a 2 days, for example, 14 to start date 14 and 18 to 16, we can see here the book price is 5,600. Here we can see in description maximum number of guests is 8. So we cannot book for the more than 8 people. They give one pop-up value must be less than or equal to 8 because the guest maximum guest capacity of this villa is only for 8 people. We can book for 8 people. We can use Stripe for the payment facilities. We can see here in our profile booking history in my bookings. When we click on this, it will open with the uh, uh, villa name, then villa address, and the total price, and some good photos of that villa. Also, in my profile, we can add accommodation. User also can add accommodation on the website. Here we can see I will add accommodation. Lastly, at the bottom page, there is a footer that provides additional information, links to relevant pages, and maybe even some social media links. One of the things I enjoy about the most of my internship was the opportunity to learn from experienced mentor. My mentor was always available to answer my questions in the discussion forum, and I provide a guidance. Overall, I had very positive experience with my Monstack internship. I learned a lot. I gained valuable experience. I will highly recommend this internship to anyone who is interested in learning about full stack web development. Thank you.